Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's autumn nail art time and I got my glitter leaves ready, and I promise you it's a super easy nail tutorial for beginners. So I got my nail tips ready. This is the glitter I'm going to use. It has this very nice color shift from green to gold, perfect for fall. And these are the leaves I'm going to use. I'm going to use my Rosalind base and top coat set, and above all my matte top coat. Today I will do it and I will top coat all the nails in matte. And I got my Rosalind gel polish set out. These are the winter gel polishes, and I've decided for this very nice light gray gel polish because I think gray gel polish is perfect for autumn in combination with the leaves. So here I go. I apply the first layer of gel polish on all of the 3 nails, and each layer I'm going to cure for 60 seconds under my LED lamp. And did you see how I slipped with my brush there, and still the gel polish levels out like a dream. There's no streakiness, it just levels and it's perfect. So I'm really a fan of Rosalind. It's a very affordable gel polish and it's so easy to apply. See here, first layer, and it's just perfect. Perfect for beginners. So I pop that under my lamp for 60 seconds and I do exactly the same on all the nails, and then I apply a second layer of the gel polish because in 1 layer it is a little bit sheer, in 2 layers it's completely opaque and nice and level. And once that's on, I decide to take this glitter polish out. It's also from this winter collection, and it's this rose gold polish. Has a bit of holographic glitters running through it, and I think that goes super nice with the gray. And on the first nail, I'm just coming in with that glitter gel polish and I'm creating like a glitter frame around the nail. And I'm not even too tidy with the polish. As you can see, I'm just going around the sides of the nail, and I want it to look uneven here and there and natural, not too tidy in any way. Making sure no gray is left on the rim of the nail. And I love it. It already looks like jewelry. So here's the close-up. That will be the perfect background for the gold green glitter that I'm going to layer on top. So here I'm selecting a little bit of the glitter pieces into the tap, and now I'm coming in with an old brush and I'm just picking up the glitter pieces and I'm placing them all around the edges of the nail. Some glitter pieces are bigger and some smaller, and it doesn't matter. I'm just going around and basically I'm having fun playing with my glitters. So nothing is cured yet, and I can push the glitter pieces around if some of the pieces are sticking out or there are some gaps or something is missing. I can still add more, like I'm doing here. this is where we are. Super pretty, right? Now I pop that under my lamp again for 60 seconds and cure it, and while that cures under my lamp, I go on with the other two nails. So here I just create an S-shaped swoosh with the glitter polish all over the nail. And again, I'm just having fun, I'm not going too tidy. However, for the third nail and the swoosh, I made sure that it looked similar to this one, just going in the opposite direction. So this is my swoosh, but it's still very tidy. So I'm coming in with the nail art brush and I'm dispersing the glitter line a bit so it does not look so tidy anymore, as you can see. And again, going over with the green and gold glitter pieces. And once I'm happy, I pop that under my lamp for 60 seconds again. And here with the third nail, I'm creating the same swoosh, just in the opposite direction as I said, and I'm doing exactly the same steps that I showed you before. So I sped this part up. And finally I get my leaves ready and I'm coming in with a drop of top coat in the middle of my first nail, and then with a nail art brush I am dispersing the top coat so I have some space to lay my leaves in the middle and not have an obvious layer of top coat in there. So this is the first leaf. So I'm just putting 3 leaves in the middle, and then I was making sure that more or less they were lying in the middle of the nail, creating like a nice pattern there. So I'm still pushing them around, and once I'm happy with where they are, I pop the nail under my lamp again. And I do the same with the glitter swoosh. I apply some top coat on the swoosh and then selecting the leaves that go on the nail. I really like the color play of all the different glitters. What do you think? And here I put the second and the third nail next to each other just to make sure that I had the train of leaves similar to each other. And now I'm coming in with my top coat, and I'm applying a generous amount on all of the nails to encapsulate the leaves and make sure that nothing is sticking out. So this is just the first layer, and then I apply the second. And here you can see what the nails would look like shiny. However, this time we are going matte. So first layer of top coat. I cured that under my lamp for 60 seconds. Then I apply the second. This is what the nails look like after I applied the first layer of top coat in matte. And here you can see what they would look like in shiny. And this is the finished look in matte, and I love it. I love the color play. I love how the leaves in the tips of the nails nearly disappear. Makes me think of a misty morning in fall. What do you think, guys? Do you like the set? Let me know in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe, and I hope I see you in my next one. Bye.